We're getting ready for the holidays here at your hometown station, so you know we had to bring in expert help with National Home Staging expert Johnathan Miller. Johnathan, we're so glad that you're here with us. We love it when you come because you are always getting us all the way together, and today you're going to teach us how to get organized so this don't look like an episode of Hoarders when people show up to our house, right?
Exactly. I mean, you open a closet, you don't want somebody opening that and everything falling out. They need to be impressed. If your mother-in-law is coming, you want her to open that closet and be impressed at this. You know, you want to know where everything is so you can also find things fast and easy.
Ooh, Johnathan, I think you might be calling me out.
From your wardrobe, I don't know what you're talking about. I already told you I'm teaching you how to fold a towel because I kind of know what those closets look like at your house. So start with your closet first because that's the first place you're going to start during the day. You got to get dressed before you host anyone. So if you start there, you can buy these organizers on Amazon and at Target to fold things. Then you just literally, you can put them in a drawer or on a shelf. You can also, the best thing, you pick them up, put them in your suitcase to go if you're traveling. So then you're ready for everything. Here, shoes, you've got shoes that you need to see because you kind of forget what you have. Open that up. You can see what's in there. Stack those neatly in the closet. It always looks nice. Same with your bathroom items. You can organize things here. This way, this is tissue holder. You can put Q-tips, cotton balls in there. Nice. The pantry. Have you ever went to somebody's house, you walk, they're like, oh, can you get me this out of the pantry? And you walk in and you're like, what? How am I going to find my way back out? So these lucite organizers are my favorite thing in the world because you literally, you can keep your pantry stocked, but it also looks like it's off an episode of Home Edit. And when those kids come through and dinner's not ready yet, you can send them to get a snack. And you don't have to worry about them coming out with something they shouldn't because you can say, go get the little cheese pack, go get a, granola bar. Have a little box of cereal, whatever. Whatever you got in there. And if you want it to be off limits or just yours, you can actually get a label maker at Target, $12.99.
Come on.
Put your name on it. It can say, Neesy, do not eat me. So,
I like that. Now, I'm going to say this, Johnathan. What I love about these organizers is, first of all, you are teaching us how to make a Pinterest pretty pantry. Okay, we like all those pieces together, okay?
That really works because a lot of times the Pinterest pretty isn't functional. And so I've tried a lot. I mean, my pantry is this now at home because, during the pandemic, I was stocking up because I was scared we were going to run out of things. And so then I really did have to organize it so I didn't overbuy. So you want to make sure you actually can see everything you have at all times so then you don't overbuy. That's actually where these type of 3-drawer containers come in. Because you can store decor, you can store napkins, you can store everything you need in your garage or your attic. So literally, it's a fast shopping experience. You walk in, you're like, okay, I can see my leaves there. I can see where my extra napkins are. So if you're in a crunch and let's say, Aunt Mildred has a spill and you have to use all your napkins suddenly, you've got a stockpile in the attic, you run up there, you know exactly where they are. You're not gone for 3 hours trying to find, a set of napkins.
That is so good because the holidays can get hectic and you are a lot of time at the last minute trying to throw things together. So these are great ideas here.
And then the biggest thing, if you have people coming to stay with you, you want to make sure your towels are not only plush, but they need to be folded correctly because you want them to feel like they're staying at a hotel when they're staying with you. So I'm going to teach you how to do a hotel type fold that's also space saving. So when you do this fold, you literally, it's very, very simple. You take your towel, I'll do this just so people know I know how to do it. Take it like this, hold it up.
Oh, we're going to hold it up.
Then you fold it in half.
Fold it in half.
Then you go, you lay it on your table, fold it down again. Flip it over because you want to see the pretty side. And it also helps with keeping it stays folded this way when you're adding more into the closet as you do laundry. Because I know you do laundry twice a week.
I do. He knows me so well. Look, he's telling all y'all my business, my laundry schedule, and everything.
Well, I know you like things neat and clean and organized.
All right, so we have it folded in half. Now I'm going to fold it in half again.
Yes, ma'am.
And then fold it in half again on the other side. Put those two together.
Flip it over.
Flip it.
And then you stack it on top of mine.
Wow.
Make sure that you have them all facing the same direction though, because otherwise that'll get you. And then
that's beautiful.
You have a whole hotel quality fold ready. You open that linen closet. It looks amazing.
Oh my gosh, I love this. That video, what we just did for y'all, that is your top video on Facebook, right? The most views. So I know you guys want to know the secret to a beautiful folded towel. He just gave it to all of us here.
And it's what we do in staged homes all the time. So when you're walking in a model home, This is the fold you see in 90% of them. The only difference is we fold them this way and then we hang them over the towel bar like this. So again, it's fast and easy and it looks very hotel ready. And you save time.
That's beautiful. Johnathan, thank you so much for sharing your expertise with us. All these ideas you can find on Johnathan's website. He has an amazing blog. Y'all, get into it. I'm telling you, his contact information right down below. Get into all these tips. Use them. I promise you, you're going to save some money and you're going to know exactly where to look when you're in a pinch. And of course, when your guests open up your closet, your towels will be in perfect
No judgment.
order. That's right. Hey, Johnathan, thank you so
Thank
much
you.
again for coming. Y'all stay with us. We'll be right back.